Hey guys, welcome back to the Shipmate YouTube channel. This week we're talking all about USPS Regional Rate Shipping. So guys, we all know about first class mail, we all know about priority, some of us even know about medium mail. But what is regional rate mail and how does it work? So the way I like to describe regional rate is it's kind of like flat rate shipping's ugly cousin, right? So with flat rate shipping, you put something in a box and no matter how much it weighs, it gets to the destination for one flat price. Regional rate is slightly different. Regional rate is like flat rate shipping. You can put anything up to a certain weight into it and it'll ship, but you're charged based on the region it ships to or the U.S. postal zone. So, in other words, a package that weighs 15 pounds will cost the same as a package that weighs 1 pound, but the price will differ the further it goes away from its point of origin. So this is how it differs from flat rate shipping, but it's still kind of similar because you're not getting billed for actual weight. And because you're not getting billed for actual weight, this makes it an opportunity for some sellers. So just like with priority shipping, regional rate boxes take 2 to 3 days transit time in the U.S. They can also be used to ship internationally, but that's something you can find the rates for online and look into on your own time. But, it's a really good option for that 2 to 3 day shipping window and can save you a little bit money off of standard priority mail. So there are two types of regional rate boxes. You have regional rate A and regional rate B. Both of these come as side loaders or top loaders. And, A is smaller than B, so B holds a little bit more volume and you can ship a little more things, but it also is a little more expensive. Basically, this is treated just like a priority flat rate box. You can put as much into it up into a certain weight. So with box A, you can put in up to 15 pounds. So everything from 1 pound all the way up to 15 pounds, or I guess even below that, all ships for one price, right? And it just depends on what zone it's going to. And for box B, everything up to 20 pounds goes. And, once again, it just differs based on zone. So if you're looking for something that's really advantageous if you're selling online, this is a really good option for smaller sellers, especially those who print their postage online, because you can order these boxes just like you do the priority shipping supplies from USPS.com, and they'll send them right to your door so they're readily available right there for you to use. And like I said, depending on how much the item you're sending weighs, this can be a great opportunity to save some money over just standard shipping priority mail in your own box or the post office box. So it's definitely something you want to keep in mind for your arsenal. Like I said, especially if you're a small seller, getting your packaging materials from the post office. It's super convenient, super easy to use. You can just print your postage online, put it in your mailbox, or drop it off at the post office. Real easy, and like I said, it can save you money depending on how much that box weighs, because we all know a 20-pound box isn't cheap to ship. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something about regional rate shipping. If you could do us a favor, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a share. We'd really appreciate it. We're trying to get to 4,000 subscribers, and we need your help to get there. You could be the one to put us over the edge, and we really hope you share us with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.